Billiards and Snooker Association of Goa are hoping that the state government will give the green signal to host the prestigious Snooker World Championship. On Sunday, GBSA President Sunil Morojkar along with 9-time world champion Geeth Sethi visited Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to put forth the concept. Parrikar has shown interest, but although talks are in a very nascent stage, but the possibility of Goa becoming one of the venues for the World Snooker Championship holds in good stead, more so after a successful Asian Championship earlier this year.
Early Sunday morning, BSAG President Sunil Morojkar and other office bearers, along with Khel Ratna awardee and 9-time world champion Geeth Sethi, visited CM Parrikar at his Altino residence.
When we were talking, he has also put up some proposals of World Snooker Championship to be held in Goa. It is a big event which we are contemplating in having in Goa, but we were not getting some inroads. But now with Geeth's presence, and he had a good talk with the CM, he has told him what is the event about. We are generally talking about the promotion of the game in Goa, billiards and snooker.
Pankaj Advani won over here, so it was good for home soil. You feel the World Championships can be held in Goa?
Yeah, actually this proposal is for the World Snooker Association's a ranking event. They have a series of about 8 or 9 ranking events. So one of the ranking events we want to hold here of the World Snooker Association. So it's technically not the World Snooker Championship, but it is an event which has never come to India. It's a very high profile event, and the thing is, why it is the right time is because Pankaj Advani and Aditya Mehta are the two Indians now who have actually gone to the professional circuit, and they are playing in the professional circuit. Pankaj Advani has just yesterday beaten John Higgins, who's a world snooker champion. So I think everything is falling in place from my perspective as I view the sport from a much larger perspective. And whenever and wherever I have talked to people from the World Snooker Association, they keep saying if we want to come to India, we would love to come to Goa, because for them India, immediately Goa is what comes up. So Chief Minister was very focused when we told him this, and he's saying give me a detailed proposal and I will definitely look at it. So very heartening. I think it's the right time for us to move into Goa from the Billiard and Snooker Federation perspective, from the Goa Billiard and Snooker perspective, and we'll make billiards anyway. We've got so many world titles. It's now time that we start developing snooker world titles in India too.
From your personal point of view, from the local association point of view, how long do you think this proposal can take, and how long do you think CM will take to approve it?
See, mainly there are two aspects to it. One is organizational aspect, but if the CM and our financial things are in place and there is a state backing to us, there is no problem, because the federation also will be involved in it. It is a big event. It will not be done at a local level. The organizers will be at national level only. Everybody will be involved in that.
International level.
Yeah, international even people, because the main body is international body.
Association tournament directors, they'll assist also in it's a very, very, very big and very high profile event.
With video journalist Omkar Falari, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent Media.
US astronaut Neil Armstrong, who took a giant leap for mankind when he became the first person to walk on the moon. He died at the age of 82 following complications from heart bypass surgery just 2 days after his birthday on August 5th. As commander of the Apollo 11 mission, Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon on July 20th, 1969. As he stepped on the dusty surface, Armstrong said, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," a tribute to this master astronaut.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower cleared.
We got a roll program. One small step for man. One giant leap for mankind.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.